Dear student, once again all of you are welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Math Success Point, and I think you are getting the more and more benefits from my videos. Once again I am going to discuss some more and more questions related with the arithmetic problem. Very important questions I am just going to discuss with you, as you are going to appear in the final examination, and I think on 10th of February 10th of March there is your maths examination, and I think by taking these calculations you will be benefited. You see the question, find the 10th term of the AP. AP is this one, following AP. Okay, arithmetic progression. But before starting the solution, I will request all of you like my videos and subscribe my channel, so that I shall be motivated. I am motivating you, but you try to motivate me so that I can give you more and more questions, as well as more and more important things, and so that you will be benefited. Okay, you find the 10th term of this AP from the beginning. There will be two types of things. From the starting, I am going to find out the 10th term. 10th term is, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means either you find out 10th or more than 10th. If you want to take the another term, I have given over here 10th. That depends upon you what type of terms you want to find out. Let me take 15th term of it. At the first place there is 2, and at the fourth place there is 11. At the sixth place there is a 17, like that. At the 15th place, what will be the term? At 15th place. Okay, let me find out. Simply you can find out. And if you will, because you see the first term that is 2. And after that you will have to find out the common difference. And common difference is second term minus first term. 5 minus 2, that will be equal to 3. This is the common difference. Okay, D, that is to be denoted by the common difference. That is why you must be familiar with that one. And last term is what? Last term is 92. But here the last term is not required. I am going to find out the 10th term from the beginning. Okay, using the formula, that is a plus n minus 1 a d. That will be equal to, and in place of n you will write 10 to 15, because I am going to find out the 15th term. Then a 15, it will be equal to a. What is the value of a? 2. And in place of n you will write 15 minus 1, and in place of d into 3. Very simple. Substitute the values. First term is 2, common difference is 3. In place of a you write this one 2, in place of d you write 3. But 15th term we are going to find out. In place of n, we will write 15. Okay. What will be this calculation? 14. Because 15 minus 1 into 3. Okay. What does it mean? 14 3s are 42. 42. And it will be 2 plus 42. That will be 44. That is why 15th term from the beginning, that will be 44. You can write after giving the addition of 3, number 3. You see, there is a 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, like that 17, and so on. It will take a lot of time, but by using this formula, immediately you can find out its value. Okay, and dear student, I am going to change the question of the similar kind. Find the 10th term. Okay, which is very, very important, and students feel very difficult. 10th term from the last. I am going to change the same question from the last of the AP. What AP? AP is given over here. This AP. Okay, and see dear student, I am going to find out the 10th term from the last. From the beginning I wrote the 15th term from the beginning, and from the last you will have to find out 10th term. And students feel difficult how to find out the number of terms from the last. That is why you see first term is a, and common difference is 3. But we are going to start from the last. From last. Let me take from last. It is from beginning. From beginning. Beginning, from the beginning, first term is 2 and common difference is 3. And from the last, what will be the first term? That will be 92. 92. Okay? And what will be the common difference? Sign will be changed. Change the sign. If it is positive, you take it negative. If it is negative, you take it positive. That is why minus, because here it is positive. And common difference will be negative from last. Okay? And I am just going to write from last. From last of AP. Same formula you can apply, dear student, using an A and B. That is the nth term or last term. Means same formula we are going to take it. Minus 1 into D. Okay. You see, because we are going to find out the 10th term, in place of n, you will write 10. From the last, what is the first term? First term is 92. And 10th, in place of n, you will write 10 minus 1 into D. That will be minus 3. Minus 3 from the last. Positive 3 from the beginning. Minus 3 from the last. Very simple. 10th term you can find out 92. And you see, positive 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into minus 3. Okay. Dear student, you see the thing. What will happen? All of you see. Because you will find out 92 minus 27. 92 minus 27. Okay? And 92 minus 27, it will be equal to how much? You see. 12 minus 7, 5. 8 minus 2, 65. That is why you can write 10th term from the last is 65. That is 10th term. 10th term from last is equal to, that will be 65. Very important question. I told you from the beginning and from the last, the similar kind of question. Okay? That is why you must understand and you will have to practice some more questions related with this one. That is a very important question. Okay? Let me take some more questions related with the arithmetic progression. I am just going to remove it and see the next question related with the arithmetic progression, which will be very important to you, dear student. Although the question may be the lengthy, but before that, I want to give you a question. You will have to solve. Find the 20th term. 20th term. Find the 20th term from the last. From the last of the AP. From the last of the AP. Or you can write from the last term of AP. From the last term of AP. What is the AP? You must have to write the AP. That will take 3, 8 and 13 and so on. 2, 5, 3. Okay? And most important question. Okay, let me take solution. From the beginning, first term is this one. And common difference from the beginning. Common difference. D will be equal to 8 minus 3. It will be equal to 5. From beginning. From beginning. From the beginning, you will see. From the beginning, you will see the common difference. And now term I am taking, see, from the last, first term will be equal to 253. That is from last. Okay, and my dear student, common difference, that is 5, but it will be negative 5 from last. See carefully. First term from the beginning is 3, that is why I am not going to write 3 first term, because we will start it from the last term. And common difference, that is 5. Common difference from the last will be -5. First term will be 253. You see, first term, second term, like that. And you will have to find out the 20th term from the last. Okay, let me take it using the similar kind of formula, that will be first term n minus 1 into d. My dear student, we are going to find out the 20th term. In place of n, we will write 20. A will be equal to how much? 253. Okay, plus, and the 20th term is 20 minus 1. Okay, and d will be 5. D will be 5. That is why you must have to see. Okay. Okay, then 253 plus 19 into minus 5. 253 minus, my dear student, you see 19 5s are 95. And 95, 253 minus 95. You subtract it. 13 minus 5, 8. Okay, then 14 minus 8. 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9, that will be 5. And here it is 1. That will be 158. 158 will be the 20th term from last. 158 is the 20th term from last. Last of AP. Last of AP. Very, very important. Such question generally asked in the examination against 2 marks, 3 marks. Very important question. Okay, let me discuss some more questions of the similar kind. Okay, which may be the important for you, my dear student. Let us see the question related with the arithmetic progression, which may be important for you, because I am taking the questions which are very important for you, or may be important for you for your examination, and similarly you practice the questions from different types of sample papers or from other books. Okay, that is why you see, my dear student, I am taking the very important question which may be for you. Question: how many, see, 3 digit, see carefully, how many 3 digit numbers? How many 3 digit numbers are divisible by 7? Most important question. Very, very important. Definitely such question may be asked in the examination or in competitive examination. First of all, you have to give the list of numbers which are divisible by 7. But the number should be 3 digit. Okay, then what will be the first number? Solution. Let me take the solution. List of the numbers. List of the numbers. List of the numbers which are divisible by 7. Okay, will you tell me such numbers which are divisible by 7? See, first number 3, but number should be 3 digit. 105, that is divisible by 7. You divide it, that will be divisible. Not less than 105. Smallest number is 100. In between 105 and 100, there will not be any number which will be divisible by 7. Next number may be you add 7. That will be how much? 112. Okay, and so on. 112, that is also divisible by 7. You add here 7, 119 if you want to write. Let me take the last number. Greatest 3-digit number is 999, but it is not divisible by 9. Then before 999, what may be the number which will be divisible by 9? See, 994. You see? Only this number less than 999 will be divisible by 7. That is why the last 3-digit number will be this one, first is this one, second is this one. How many numbers will be there in between them? Which will be divisible by 7? Divisible by 7 means, let me take the solution. Let me find out. List the numbers which are divisible by 7. 3-digit numbers. Okay, first number is 105. What will be the common difference? 112 minus 105, that will be 7. Automatically 7. The difference between all the numbers will be 7. Consecutive numbers. You see between these two numbers, that is difference is 7. And other numbers, continuous 2 numbers if you will take, consecutive 2 numbers if you will take, the difference will be 7. That is why this one. Let me take, what is the nth term? That is 994. Okay, let me use the same formula using nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into b. Last term and the last term an, that is equal to 994. That is the last term. In place of it, an we will write 994. Okay, it will be equal to first term, as you know, that is 105 plus, and we want to find out the number of terms, and the d is 7. See, that is a very simple question, but you must have to apply that to find out the solution of the questions. Okay? See, the questions you will see, my dear student, and you will be familiar with this question, and this is a very important question for you, and I think such question may come in the examination, and easily you can find out the solution of such questions. Okay, and let me take the solution of this question, and easily you can find out the solution of this question. Okay, and let me know the other things which you are required to see, to find out. Okay, 105, it will be 105 plus n minus 1 into 7. But let me take, because 105 you transpose from right side to the left side. Okay, 994 minus 105. It will be equal to 7 and minus 1. Okay, 994 minus 105. You subtract it. That is 14 minus 5. That will be 9. 8. And then 8 minus 1. That will be 9 minus 1. That will be 8. Okay, 889 will be equal to n minus 1, and divide this number by 7. Okay, you see 994 minus 105, it will be equal to 7 within bracket n minus 1, and the difference between these two numbers, that is 889 by 7. 7 I have taken in the denominator, and its value you divide this number by 7. I think 1 and 2, 7. It will be equal to n minus 1, and 1 you take from right side to the left side. 1, 2, 7 plus 1. It will be equal to n. N will be equal to how much? 128. N is equal to 128. That will be the number. How many numbers will be there? 128 numbers will be there. 3-digit numbers will be there which will be divisible by 7. In between 100, sometimes the question may be asked, find the numbers, 3-digit numbers in between 100 and 999, which are divisible by 7. Like that also, you can generate the questions. Okay, that is why you see carefully, and I think you understand the solution of this question. Let me take the other questions, all depend upon it, which will be important for you, and I think you will get the solution. Let me take one more question related with the arithmetic progression, which will be very, very important for you. Dear student, you must have to practice the questions so that you will be benefited like anything. And now very important question I am going to take, which will be very important for you. Find the 31st term of an AP, arithmetic progression, whose 11th term, you see, whose 11th term is very important question, 38, and 16th term is 73. But you find the 31st term. 31st term you will find out of that AP. What AP? Once again you see, find 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Very important question. Maybe asking that question. Solution. Let me take the solution, my dear student. See, let me take, I will use over here, find 31st term. 31st term of AP. What will be AP? We don't know what is AP, but you must have to find out the value of A and B, automatically the AP will be formed. Okay, then see, using nth term will be A plus n minus 1 into t. But before that you see, 11th term is this one. 11th term, first case. 11th term is 38. For the first case, A11 is equal to A plus, you write in place of n 11 into t. 11th term is 38. In place of A11 you will write 38. It will be equal to, in place of n I substituted 11, A plus 11 minus 1, 10, D, equation number 1. We will form the pair of equation in the form of A and D, which you have solved in the linear pair of equations. Similar kind of solution. Similarly, 16th term you see, 16th term is 73. Using the same formula, A16 will be equal to A plus 16 minus 1 into D. A16 is how much? 73. It will be equal to A plus 15D. Second equation. We have formed the two equations in the form of A and B. Now you find out the value of A and B. Easily you may get the arithmetic progression. Okay, from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. You see, A plus 15D and A plus 10D. You see, first I am going to write this one. A plus 10D will be equal to how much? 38. That is equation number 1. And A plus 15D will be equal to 73. Okay, similar kind of solution. Elimination method you will have to use. Okay, change the sign. This is positive, that will be negative. It is positive, negative, it will be negative. A minus A, cancel, 0. minus 15 plus 10 minus 5d. Okay, it will be equal to, you see, minus 73 plus 38. I think that will be minus 35. Okay, and see how much the d you are getting. D will be equal to how much? Minus 35 upon minus 7. It will be 5. D will be 5. And from first equation, find out the value of A also. From 1. Find the value of A from 1. 1 is this one. A plus 10D will be equal to 38. And we got the value of D. A plus 10 into 5 is equal to 38. And A will be equal to 38 minus 50. You see. What will be the value of A? That will be equal to how much? Sorry, it will be 15, you see, that is a little mistake is there. It is 5, not 7. It is 5, not 7. And see, it will be 7. This is 7. 7 will come. That is why let us take a little correction. Because this is 7 and it will be 70, 70. Okay, it will be 70, 38 minus 70. 38 minus 70, that will be equal to minus 32. A is equal to minus 30. Okay, we got the value of D is equal to 7. Okay, and A is equal to minus 32. D is equal to 7 and A is equal to minus 32. But you will have to find out. Find what thing? Find 31st term. 31st term. Similar kind of thing you use 31st. A n is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Okay, and in place of A, because 31 you write in place of n. A is equal to minus 32 and plus, here you will write 31 minus 1 and D that is 7. D that will be 7. Okay, and you must know what will be the 31st term. That is 31st term you will have to find out. What will be the 31st term? Minus 32. Okay, into 30. 30 into 7. 30 into 7 and it will be equal to minus 32 plus 3, 7 that will be 270. 270 and 270 minus 32, you see. This will be 210, 21. 7, 3 are 21 and it will be 210 and minus 32 it will be 178. Very important question, my dear student. You will have to see its value 31st term will be 178, which is very important. And like that you can solve the different types of questions which are very important for you and will be beneficial for you. I think I have given a lot of questions for you so that you will be benefited. And my dear student, you concentrate your brain properly so that you can find out the solution of the number of questions. I have given the very important questions to you so that you can practice. collect the questions, practice similarly. Okay, thank you to all of you.